As you can see, we're coming on my door again now, sun setting over the buildings. And we'll go back over here where the fun and excitement is. Still got the rainbow going strong. Yeah, it's definitely getting some nice dark over there. Huh? Right between those trees, man. That's got the color. Wow, is that a third rainbow there? Well, let's get the full arc really sweet now.
Pretty fucking awesome. Look at how bright it's getting with the blue. And
Yeah, I know. You can see the purple all the way down to the purples and lavenders on the left side.
That's so cool.
Oh, so bright.
Really hard to get those colors to come out.
Yeah. And in a full arc, too. It's a lot lighter at the top than it is on the ends, but...
Wouldn't that be cool? We always have one, like...
yeah,
just fucking,
living under the rainbow.
like, perched out.
It reminds me of that one. Almost reminds me of the one when we were my ship was going from New Zealand, from the South Islands to the North Islands, and we actually passed under a rainbow. You could actually see it getting closer and closer and closer, and then there was like a bright flash right above us, and then it was behind us. It was so weird because you usually can't see a tornado a rainbow from the back side. Well, we got some motion right up here.
I get it down.
Oh, now the double's getting even brighter over there. You can see the second one coming up right there. Boy, that thing is bright. I wonder if this thing's going to do this justice. Got the double again on this end, but I'm not seeing any rotation anywhere. That's definitely a wall cloud. Right back over there. It's probably not going to show up on here, but that whole line back there, that's got that color of tornado, but I don't see any rotation at all. Alright, that's it for now. Here we are in Oregon. If you don't like the weather, just wait 10 minutes, that's what they say.